Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox the Foxeer HS 1177 FPV camera. I just bought it from Banggood. It has come with pretty nice packaging. So let's just unbox and see what's inside. I already have opened it, but I just want to do in front of camera so that other people can see what does come with Foxeer HS 1177. It's about $22 on Banggood. I got it in 8 to 9 days around in India. Okay, so let's just unbox it. So there is some manual. Color to bandwidth to color spatial. So it is talking about some reset, language, DPC, lots of things are there. Also there are some instructions for connections as to how to connect to OSD switches. A nice manual. Let's just keep it aside. There is some card. Foxeer technologist. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep it aside. Let's see what we have got in here. I like the packaging. The packaging is very nice and neat and clean. So we have some. Yeah, this is the OSD keyboard from which you can control the parameters of on-screen display. There are some these cables which goes to camera and on-screen display. This keyboard. So this is the camera. This is the keyboard from which you can control the various parameters on screen. Let's see, where is our camera? Okay, so they have provided this nice packaging for the camera. Let's just unbox it. So here it's the camera. It has come with a nice foam packaging. It has provided with cover lens. I guess this is the cover. This is a pretty nice lens, I guess. So what does it say? There are total 5 connections, as you can see: ground, OSD, VID, that's for video, ground, and PCC. It does say HS 1177 branding on it. Classic FPV cam. This looks and feels pretty sturdy. This is 2.5 mm lens which I chose while purchasing this product. Let's see what we have got. So here we have some brackets to mount and hold this camera. I guess there are some screws in it. Yeah, nice packaging though. I like the packaging. Thank you guys.